Today's Tales from the Trails brings us to the Metropolitan Water Reclamation District of Greater Chicago, the Luis S. Viverito Side Stream Elevated Pool Aeration Station. Nice green space. We're going to head to the bridge. This is where the road ends for motor vehicles, but you can get through on bike or by feet. So here we are. All right, so it's an adventure, so I think I see where we're trying to get. We're trying to go that way. So we're going to end our bridge walkway and head back. Good information to know, the park closes at dusk. All right, I won't read the whole thing. Take a screenshot and read at your leisure. We're on a mission. A nice little walking trail. So quiet over here too. I think we may have us another spot to come to. And the terrain is bricked. Yep, so this is the side we were trying to get to. And I know TLC warned us, don't go chasing waterfalls, but they are so refreshing to watch. There's someone down there fishing. Oh, this is so peaceful. We do have trains going by, and there's some traffic. This is so peaceful. I see small ducks, but no geese. And it looks like they are pretty much contained to the water, because there was no poop on the trails when I walked through. Right. So today's Tales from the Trails brought us to Blue Island, Illinois. ABCs, always be careful on the trails or if you're just out and about, because you never know what you can encounter. Keep your head on a swivel. Keep some form of personal protective device on you, or learn some self-defense skills. ABCs, always be careful.